Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to excel in physics for Neet, updated. Begin by building a strong foundation in fundamentals like kinematics and electrostatics, then practice systematically. Set clear weekly goals and track progress with short quizzes. Balance reading theory with solving previous Neet questions and timed mock tests. Review mistakes immediately and maintain a concise formula sheet for quick revision before exams. In physics, deliberate practice beats blind repetition, so schedule focused problem sessions with a timer and specific targets. Rotate topics to avoid burnout and ensure consistent exposure to mechanics, optics, and modern physics. After each test, log errors by topic and revisit weak areas with targeted exercises. Use formula derivations to deepen understanding, not just memorization, and simulate exam pressure with full. Prioritize resources that match Neet scope, focusing on NCERT and a couple of trusted reference books for advanced problems. Create a compact revision pack with key formulas, common derivations, and typical diagrams. Schedule spaced repetition sessions to retain concepts longer and use weekly mini-tests to keep skills sharp. Discuss tricky problems with peers or mentors to gain new perspectives and faster solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.